Sweet. We're live. I'll drop this for you, buddy. There you are. Right. Let's get fucking into it, my bro.
Sweet.
Okay. I gotta start my little analysis. Let me get this fucking stream off here because it's gonna irritate me. Sweet. All right, so I want to actually start off and just quickly go through the trade Zella little thing that you got. I know you already done yours, and we're going to go through that now. You are much cooler than I am. Let me.
It'll be good to go through them together.
Yeah, you know, guys. Let me use my stolen password. Okay, notebook. Sweet. Let's do a new note. Let's do a. So what are you using for your daily game plan? Which template? I got a bunch of recommendeds there. Daily review.
No, so the created ones, they're down the bottom for some reason. The ones you create are down the bottom.
Gotcha. Cool.
It's silly. It should be the other way around.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yes, it's just the 26 version 2.
Review 26.
And I've created a separate red day one if we want to use. So it's if you have a red day, you just use that.
Cool.
There's a few there.
And then what's the one you gave me? You just duplicated that. All right, sweet. That's the Justin's temp. Let's see. No.
Just see if that's the one with the VIX. Otherwise, copy and paste my one and into yours and save it again. Yeah. Unless you don't want the VIX.
What the fuck has been happening today, though? I even went to black charts, bro, for this stream, dude. I hate black charts. Fuck, I hate black charts, whatever. Don't have enough lights, bro. Sweet. Okay, this is the weekly shit. Let me go to templates. New notes. Okay, done.
There's not much of a delay on that stream neither.
Nah, bro, it's good. Super quick. I don't know why it is, but I'm not complaining. What's today? The 9th of February. I spelled that shit right.
Yeah, so just had a dump since Asia.
Dumpy. Let's look at a bigger time frame here. Okay. So we're negative gammaing it out. Fantastic. Okay, so we popped off that high. I added back those DMAs. Not really the trade-off. I just like to see where we are. Kind of also helps me with my like normal investing shit. So I'll leave the DMAs on.
Yeah.
Obviously, Q's got no volume. We know why. But we do have this. What is that? Oh, it's Friday. It's like, where the fuck did that come from? All right, sweet. Okay, what's the skew looking like? We'll know shortly. But skew is looking monster again. The downside rips.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Mm.
So we've got London's low is at 24,967.
Yeah.
And then that 24,750 was hit a lot yesterday. It was tested a few times and it was respected a few times. So I reckon if we take a dump, we're coming down to that 750, 24,750 again. And then we've also got previous New York AM lows at 700, just under that. So we could, potentially sweep that liquidity.
Yeah, we'll see that easy on the bookmark though, hopefully.
That's right.
Light up. Let's check. I actually got that book map. Where is it?
Is that Gex one up yet? I don't think so. No.
Okay,
Some nights it doesn't even put the Gex one up. But
we got the Gex stream tuning us that we're in a bit of a negative gamble. We know that already. Nothing new there.
It's fresh
609
indicators.
is a big put wall. I think. What are we looking at there? Yeah, it's the put wall. And well, options inventory, although we now know is probably horseshit, does give me a cool little view. So I'll keep that sucker on. I'm just wondering why.
Yeah, so I'm using absolute Gex, net Gex, and net OI is what I discussed with ChatGPT. So I'm going to see tonight how those play out and then try that. Actually, I might set the cues one to the volume fanatic. Then
yeah, I'm gonna quickly get up to Nuki. Where are you? There you are. Okay.
sort of see which one displays a bit more for me. That net OI, that's got to play a role too.
Sweet.
So that absolute Gex, I think, is very reactive. So what I gathered is that when that meets up a net Gex level that is, so like at that 745, you see how it's quite a big net Gex level there. So when it gets to that level, if ABS Gex spikes at that level, then that's implying that it's a stronger level.
Okay, you can check on screen there. On the stream screen. You can see there. Just going through that.
Yes.
So obviously we know we're already in, but this kind of matches up anyways with, for the moment at least.
Yeah. So you got volume. Yeah, so I've got volume fanatic.
So we're looking
on
at
the cues.
609. So 609 Gex stream is shouting about, and if I go to get out of this shit,
609.
we get to the cues. 609 is shouting about, but again, yeah, that is like you can see it's the biggest anyway. So, okay, cool. So we have a level there, 609 for sure. That thing's gonna see what the volume looks like when it passes either into it or through it. Got market open in 20. We got no news. So we're pretty chilled.
This fuck all tonight.
We're pretty chilled. Where's 609? Right, so we've got a bit of, but as usual, our awesome Tanuki trade is showing us on the chart, so we didn't even need to waste the fucking time going through all that shit. It's all there anyway. Let's check the POES levels for today. So we're dancing around the daily POES. Daily POES is in between, what are we, the 6th and the 5th? Yeah, 6 and the 5th. So that's a pretty strong level. I would say though, T1 up here by the second call wall, something to watch. And then nothing really else.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go. A lot going up here by 618.
612. I did put that down in the journal, the second call wall. I forgot to put there as well that it was T1 and also London High, New York High.
It's kind of T1. It's like 0.6 away. So what is that, like 20 points diff? Which, yeah, I mean, that's our whole stop loss. But you have to pick one at a time based on volume, as usual. So we're happy with that.
Yeah.
Going into the open.
We'll see which direction this open takes us.
Yeah.
I am going to shoot off for 2 minutes and make a coffee.
Could do a thing, bro. Already got mine. So just checking out the morning. Things reacting. Where do we get a bit of a... I guess got no gaps, so we're all right for the day. And I'll just be watching my 30-minute and hourly closes on my GEX levels. Nothing particularly to do till then. I think we should just quickly go through some of them, some of Flub's morning reviews. What's this dude looking at? Here we go. Okay, so Flub got a little pre-market prep. Nothing. Nasdaq gapped up, pumps on open, Asia dumped into London open with a little pumpy. 25 108 and 25 150. 25 108. Yeah, and 25 150. Yeah. Okay, so as usual, Flood crushing it. Turn around from the 150. Key levels. I suppose it's the day open that it bounced off, so you can check there, even identified that. So magnets for the day, 25 100, and then previous New York lows, 2500 and 2550. Yeah, I mean 2500 is always going to be something to look at. I got my vertical lines waiting for my 30-minute closes. And just chill till then. Let's go music, man. Right. Okay, let's get a little royalty free. Fucking A, bro. Let's get some synthwave.
We're just waiting for the open here. There's nothing really to see. Just quickly trying to get a cheeky window capture going on here. So you can put a little filter on that. Cheeky market. Sweet. Okay, so let me check out. Trading terminal. What we got going on here? What's that day looking like? Market, we're down on the SPY, we're down on the NAS, we're down on, well, even on the Russell. We're down with a monster day on Friday. And the Russell with a monster day.
What I miss? What I miss?
Nothing much. This audio is a bit too high. Let me.
Mine of yours.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'll sort it out for next time. Whatever. At least it's there.
Oof, 400 Connies sitting at 25.90.
Bro, they've been doing that all flipping day. Let me.
Yeah, I know. I watched it.
Those little suckers, bro. They almost got me into an early trade because of that shit, bro. There you go. So you can check it out on the screen. And a shout out to 1 Minute Futures Trader for being the legend to stream all of this stuff. Don't think that I pay for it. 25.09. See, we got. You see that 403 has been hopping around. It actually was 503. Initially, you can see the 265 contracts. Was that screen draw tool that I had?
Yeah, it's been coming on and off all day.
Yeah, suckers. Yeah,
you got 10 minutes to open.
Okay, cool. Nothing really showing down there, so I'm chilled.
Oh, we got FOMC this week too.
Really?
Is it FOMC or is it non-farm? Non-farm, sorry.
Of course, it's the first. Yeah, it's the first Friday. So
non-farm. Yeah.
Unemployment non-farm. That's on the 11th. Okay, so that's not on. It's Wednesday.
That's like the only news this week, bro. Is that we got core inflation on Friday. And home sales Thursday. That's about it. It's a very
initial on the macro side. It's almost pointless other than using it to like avoid trading. Like I don't really play that much news game anymore.
No, I just use it when to avoid.
Yeah. Likewise. Okay, cool. So Monday, Tuesday, nada. Wednesday, got the cheeky small little non-farm. Thursday, jobless, housing. So we'll see how inflation's doing. And then Friday, PCI, of course. Got the purchasing mandate. What is it? The purchasing index. That's the rate at how bullish everybody is generally. So again, gauge of long-term inflation going on.
You see, I've got news cheat sheets in my notes in TradeZilla.
Yeah, I can check that one.
it hasn't got all of the news I noticed though. So I'm doing it every day, like I've been doing into my TradeZilla journal, and then after a while, once after a few months or something, once I know ChatGPT's got all the news in that chat, because I keep the same chat for the news all the time, so the structure and everything's the same. Then I'll get it to reprint a full cheat sheet for us then it will have all the news by then,
Yeah, it's honestly, if you just do it like a few times, you kind of just get a feel for news. It's just the inflation. When things get cheap to borrow, things pumpity pump pump. When things get expensive to borrow, things dumpity dump dump. It's just over and over. The main things that I kind of watch, and I've said it to you before, is like the dip rip or the rip dip for something like NFP. It's like one way and then it just continues the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Like a son of a bitch. But again,
the CBD's going up on the Qs and down on the NQ.
Let's check it out. Ooh, good call it, water.
The deltas are up as well.
Yeah, it's also again it's like not market, so we're not really seeing a lot of market orders.
No. Yeah, they flicked that fucking position down. Ooh, they flicked that position down 30 points.
Yeah, I checked there.
On Bookmap.
Back up. Yeah.
Yeah.
So strange. These are spoofing. That's it. That's the word I was trying to get the other day. Spoofing.
Spoofing. Yes.
Yeah, yes. That's what that British guy, that young British guy, got nabbed for.
Yeah.
So he would do exactly that, bro. He'd just spoof it like 25060. Wait for all the algos to run up there, and then remove those contracts and just get in some shorts. He was responsible for the flash. What was that flash crash? 2016 flash crash.
Yeah.
Legend. Fucking legend. That's what he was
US
like
NFP Prep Wednesday.
We're going up for that 25090. They've moved it again. It's 25090 now. You can check the air. They moved that guy.
Sure. Five minutes. Say that. 25 120 and dump.
Yeah.
That'll be roughly the midpoint for London session too.
Yeah, especially if that skew sits like this, dude. At the moment,
that's right.
100% more aggressive on the downside than it is on the upside. So I do not want to be taking longs today.
No, not unless that drastically flips.
Yeah, we'll know it. We'll know it open right now, or at least 5 minutes after open.
Yeah.
So they're saying the upper standard deviation today expected at 613.6. That's interesting. But that makes a lot of sense there. Is that, yeah, it's on the DMA. So it's roughly the DMA. What is this? It's the 100 DMA.
It's kind of at the midpoint of that now, eh?
Yeah.
Is that right? 13 to 2, yeah. Oh.
Just inviting that price high. This is going to be a quick little, I reckon, dip, rip, open. So it's a pity I don't play the open, but I'd like to get into a little bit of a cheeky long there. I think that would probably be a nice little rippy.
Yeah. I think we'll get a little manipulation up and then a rip down.
Exactly. 25, 120. What is that? Yeah. It's way higher. Yeah, see, he's actually got the
25.90 is still there.
This dude's got the DMA on the stream. You can't see it, but it's at 25,145. Nice. Previous highs. Yeah, we're ripping up to 25,090.
Yep.
Got that little skip appeal going on.
Just to see what they do when it gets there again. Minute.
Let's get that open. I reckon where we're going. I still think that rip up's going there.
25, 120.
It's mainly just been sells in this area, so tough area to trade. Matches up with the skew. Here we go. Yeah. Try to.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Catcha.
Catcha. Let's see what we got.
Catch you later.
On the daily poster. Always a level worth watching.
Yeah.
Off.
Off.
What is gold doing? I want to see that today. Come on, you beauty.
Gold pumping.
Oh, my bro. All I care about is silver right now. Ooh. It's good to be making money.
Bitcoin back down at 68.
I think that thing needs to rip down to like 63, bro. This was too much going on down there at 63. Hurts.
Yeah, I was saying to Razor, it's not got to come down to about 60 and then it'll rip.
Nah, I don't.
It's got enough juice then to go up to like 300k.
Yeah, dude. Well, you don't know. Diminishing returns, all that sort of shit. So.
Yeah, no one ever knows.
No one ever knows. All right.
No one ever knows.
We've got a reaction off of R. Let me get this volume off here. Let me go look at my Q's volume. Okay, what's going on today? Wagwan, rude boy. Skew's staying where it is. This is good.
Yeah, that's going to update in a couple minutes.
We've actually gone down on our expected move range. So
yeah.
That's cool. Let's just have a look at.
Yeah, I'm cool waiting a couple minutes, see what this reaction does.
I'm waiting.
See what these GEX levels update to in a minute. I don't think they'll move much.
Just trying to see what rotation's going on today.
VIX 101.
Yeah.
VVIX 101, VIX 18.7. Sure, there's a lot of red on the board.
Yeah, let's have a look at Gexstream quickly, see what's going on there. Take this thing a moment. Oh, look at that. That's a chocker block. Options inventory going on there.
Yeah, if it breaks.
Come on, you. Stupid ass things taking forever.
955. If we break 955. There's nothing there until 870.
Something's up with Gexstream today. Who gives a shit? Let's have a look at Tanuki. What's going on there? Yeah, look at this thing at 600, bro. They want to plow down to that, I reckon.
Yeah, and look at that wick. Look at this wick for now. This might still push up a little. Yeah. Where's that? 600? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. And if we break that 605, 604's got nothing. Straight down to 603. With a bit of resistance. We want to short through that gap. Correct?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I'm just trying to work out where 606 is. Okay, cool. We're down here. There's nothing really there. I'd prefer
606.
Jesus, bro. They're really talking about 600. Yo.
That's the 995. Yeah. So if we break that 995, we free fall down to that 870.
This thing needs to just pick a little bit up, and I don't actually mind that short at all. What are we picking up on the book map?
Not much yet.
Not much yet,
That.
We've got
so what was that?
We've got this DMA coming up, but that's like, what's that? 4812. It's 120 points from here. It's fucking huge.
These CBDs pumping down. Prices struggling at the moment. Break that 606. We're gone, bro.
You reckon? 606?
I think so. Is that the one I was saying? Oh, 605. Sorry. If we break 606, 605. There's nothing at 604, down to 603. And we hopefully have momentum just to push through that then.
Agreed.
It's more than what I need.
I'm checking out here. Some volume has been traded. 25,084. So the largest volume so far is 084, which is right here. So we're close to it. Let me hop down to a 1.
84.
VIX is decreasing.
I think we'll be a little turnaround here.
It's looking.
This long wick on open usually gets filled, bro. That 900 contracts on that that 2590. Oops.
Yeah, I can see that. 909. Dang. 908 contract. But that exactly matches up with what I was saying. 80. That's where the highest volume so far has been traded right now. It's 80, like the 84, 80-ish region. Yeah, maybe it'll pop up to like 90 with the travel down. It's not actually a bad idea.
Just popped up nearly there.
Yeah, I know. Can see.
We'll see if that holds, and then look for a
exactly.
shorty short.
I want to see this 1 minute volume end small. I check a CBD can't do fuck all, bro.
I'm on 89 is where I've got a resting position.
Yeah, I'll take it up at 84, like I said. But I just got to see that volume perfect. That's that little like. So I hate the open, bro. It's just so volume full and it fucks with my average. So I'm gonna just hold off until I get that low.
Yeah, this is it. This is. What did that just hit? Yo, it was 0.75 off.
Check and look at that spoofing shit.
And yeah.
That's
Yeah,
spoofing.
you see?
Don't
They're
trust
trying to
this
pull
big
it up.
order. I know. Don't trust this big order shit, bro.
That's what I'm saying. They're trying to pull it up to whatever they want. 100 again, probably.
Yeah,
Probably that 120.
That's what I said earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna nice round number.
100 wick to 120.
Okay, let me get a little shorty short going on here. 20. Fuck's sakes, we almost got there.
Oh, what's that? Hey, what'd you say?
I said we almost got there to that 100. I would have cracked that, but again, I just want to see that volume like fizzle here. Let's check Extreme quickly. Maybe give me more information.
See, the 1 minute CVD is just pretty much consolidated, bro. This is definitely looking fucking short.
Short as a motherfucker.
In fact, the 1 minute is.
Look at that.
Gone up.
It was a teeny cell volume, so that's.
There's that 100.
Yeah. You'll check here. Where's the Extreme? Here's the Extreme. Yeah, the Extreme showing that dealers have sold a lot. So dealers are underwater a little bit.
120. You see, they moved those levels up to 120.
Constant, bro.
And that's a level of ours.
So 6 or 7.
I might take a stab at that for a short.
I don't know. It's too bullish right now for me. Yeah, this thing just keeps hyping up. And it's by the HVLs, like the high volume level. So this is the midpoint of the options. This is like the switch. Yeah. So like as the gamma got positive here, dealers are having to purchase. So this is a pop through for me. Let me go with a little. I'm gonna go with a little. If this goes back down to 1.0, right there. Okay, I popped a. Oh, come on, take me in. Take me in. Take me in. See if this volume flips, yeah. It's definitely a continuation play.
Yeah.
Dealers need this up. They've bought a lot of stuff here. So let's just.
Are you in?
I'm gonna just wait for a little like gay pullback. I have to kind of see it just like come up here with a little red pullback, small volume.
Yeah, this is definitely CVD's broken on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's pumping up.
Yeah, that's not coming down to tap me in.
612. Now don't worry, there'll be a retrace, I reckon.
Yeah. Is this the no? Not even 15 minutes in. 75, 70.
So you got big build up happening there. 25075, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I reckon this is coming down.
You reckon?
Bro, look at that. We're almost halfway into this 5 minute candle, and that that's whipped back.
Still like the
See.
lows, yeah. A little bit more.
I know it is looking bullish. You know, CBD has broken on the 1 minutes too.
Come on, give me that shitty pullback, bro. Uh, 25,165. Again, I want to stay on the. Jeez, look at the skew now. I want to stay on the side of the skew. Like I do like these longs, I really do. But I don't want this grind up shit, bro.
Yeah, I want that quick.
So this is on.
This is day open here too, just above.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stick on my side of shorts here, and I'm seeing that 25,165.
160.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's looking
I'm seeing
like
that too.
shorty.
I'm seeing that too. And then we've got low numbers above that. Or on the zoomed out version, they're quite full.
See, the thing is, all these peeps went short earlier on. Let me see this. We do have a previous high. Okay, cool. So the difference between 160. So I'm looking. There we go. Somewhere like there. Let's see a little
25%.
Yeah,
604 to 614. Oh, we're nearly at the upper end of the. Oh, that has moved up a bit though.
Okay, let's just see this low vol. If I see
Let's see what
this buy now, if this comes through on the 1 minute on the Qs, I think I'm gonna have a little stab.
We'll stab it along.
No, fuck! I told you, I'm stay on the side of the ski, bro.
Oh, sorry, I misunderstood what you said.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, this 160 level. 160.
So let's see this now.
Let's
Small
see this
volume
reaction.
push. Yeah, small volume push. CVD can't push through. Price is pushing higher. CVD staying where it is. I think at that point I might just have a look at this. That's a 10-point stoppy. Let me try. Okay, you gonna pop back up for me, or are you gonna chill? Come on.
You're going to dump from there. That 160 liquidity has been removed. And there's only stuff below. So what's that? 120. That's down at 70. So even a short from this 120 would be all right. Yeah, CVD is breaking lows on Qs.
Check. We've got no. Okay, I'm gonna jump in there. We got no orders above anymore on the map. So I'm gonna put a limit sell in. Let's just see. I'll take a stab here. I think that's worth it. Down to 25,070.
I'm in full.
Just waiting for 170.
There is no liquidity above. What are you doing? And this is
Little poppy here with the low volume. This will be a good.
Yeah, we need a good pushback here.
Good start to the day.
Good pushback here. What did you get in at?
I'm still waiting. There we go. I'm in.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, my boy.
Holy shit.
There you go, my boy. That's how we do. Okay, I was out very quick there at the bottom of that range for half my position. I'm just keeping another half of it at the 25,075. But just looking at the way it's fiddling about here, I mean, not that I know anything about price, but again, I'm just looking to miss the rip. Where did I get in at? I got in at 170. $170.25. Okay. Took half at 1 to 25, 120. So I took half there. And then I'll leave another half. Hopefully I can get stopped out here, but we'll see. You can see 25,200 building. Oopsie, sorry. Just pop this down to the 1 minute so we can accurately describe the position. There you go. What was it? It went down to 25. Oh no, it was 130. I got out at. I was lucky because of my auto bracketing. So we got one at that.
And CVD is pushing down, bro.
Is it? Okay, cool. I'm comfy to hold there then. My second position. I went down to, what did I say? 25.070. I'll go to 80. Might get a little pop off the top here, but I'm chilled about that. Oh, it's going to pop off, yeah, for sure. Oh, is it? Got that little buy volume, so the skew again is really helpful because we don't want the grindy grind, we want the rippy rips. Get in and out.
The rippy rip.
So that's all we want, just the rippy rips. Hopefully we can survive a top wick if that is what it's going to do. And take some of this money down. Fucking skating. Skate. What was that first RR? That was a nice RR. I guess 1 to 2, nothing much. See how fucking break even can hurt you, bro.
Yeah.
Don't fucking break even, bro. Fuck. Come on, bro. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. There you go. Give me my money.
Nice.
Ow! Come on. Just continue with the game we're playing here. Just continue with the game we're playing. What is this? This is there? Oh, it's on the HVL. I might wanna. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna bring my second position to like 150. Okay, I'm out there. It's basically the same fucking position. Just the only reason why I moved that down there, I was just scared of this little guy here, bro. I know this thing can touch and go. You still in? Did you take it?
Me?
Yeah, did you take it or you?
Nah.
Okay, cool. I got in. No, it's gonna fucking continue like a motherfucker. That's okay. We'll catch the retest. Just a little cheeky provy. And we'll leave that alone. What's next? So we got a 1.5 and we got a 2. Okay, cool. So we got 32 points, 40 points. Fuck, I like that 40 points. I like that 40 points, but I hate the fact that I fucking trail my stop loss again. Like a dick. Like a dick. This is always the weird one, but I suppose it's going to be the thing that we run into like tons and tons and tons of time where you've got this, like it was on Friday, negative skew like a motherfucker, and then you've got a positive market, kind of.
Yeah.
Just the grind up shit, bro. So I love Rocket Scooter, but being long constantly, you got to take some pain sometimes.
Yeah, it's rough.
Look at the volumes dropping on the sell side here on the triple Qs.
Yeah.
I'd expect that. I'd expect that. So this could be a nice little long, but again, I don't want to be in longs for the same reason I just said. 8 minutes till half an hour close. We've got no typical pusses on the cards here, unfortunately.
$180's lit up above there.
Yeah.
Nice little short from this 120 potentially, eh?
Yeah, it is looking 609 to 607 short, huh? So if we see a nice little pop back up here, what the hell? See a nice little pop back up there.
That was it, eh?
Let's see. Nah, that was a good volume. Good volume there. We like that
5 minutes volume.
Yeah, we like that volume. Okay, let's get that. Sweet. It's not the continuation guy I like to see. Let's see what this. I don't even know why I look at the volume on the NASDAQ anymore. It's absolutely useless.
Yeah.
Dropping some straight alpha. Yo, we got someone joining us from a mobile phone. Shout out the mobile phone crew. 0.2% of people have used the mobile phone. Okay, you see, and that's why we don't take continuations with fucking positive volume. Because your ass gonna get burnt. Ass gonna get burnt. 1/3 of the way to the latest and newest member of my funded account edition. I'll take it easy today. I've got to work on some fundeds. Got to get that money. Need those payouts. Okay. So, I'm not into candle reading, but those seem to be some nice wikis. Very nice wikis, but the strong buy volume. I'm going to leave that sucker alone. Getting, what we got? Equal highs roughly here. And then the lows. Yeah. It's a healthy range. So we could swap into range plays, but I'm not. I need to do that now.
Look at the GEX on the website. That's everything's really tightened up right now, bro. These levels are really. Yeah.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Tanuki. Yeah. Swap over to the NQ quickly with their own built.
So the main put support is level 120 as well.
Yeah, I can see that.
So this is look. So this is looking long from here now.
Yeah, I'm also liking longs, but again, I'm preferring the rips to the BTDs. If it's going to come down, okay, no, we're on that level now. Yeah, 608. This makes sense why it would bounce here. So according to this website, the options inventories of the dealers, which again I've read is absolutely impossible to work out, but whatever. They're saying 608 is a heavy defended level. So what is that on
608?
I've actually got it on my screen, yeah. 608. Okay, cool. So we're looking at the 25075. And immediately what we look at the book map. And go look at the level on the book map. Go look at the level on the book map. Let's take that shit off. Let's take that shit off. Pop that on.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. As you can see, down in there, at 25. 175. 25075. Heavy level.
Oh.
How do we get to that level? We simply looked at the options inventory and saw where the most positioned level as far as options and GEX is concerned and gamma of the dealers. And so what we'll do is we'll just sit here and short. I'd prefer the short from 25 180. Much prefer that. But we've got a monster level here at 2507. So what is the upper? 25180. 25180. Yeah, previous. Not my previous short. So I prefer the short from my previous short. Nope, we've lost our homie. Still here in spirit.
A phone watcher. He went over to Chatterbait.
So it's anyone's guess. Let's have a look at the broader market. BTC, well, not pumping, but going up. Yes, silver's still going. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Europe. Europe is Europe. Treasuries sold off. So people are buying back into treasuries. Okay. Dollar getting fucking murked. Yo. Yen, slight buy up, but it's always the same shit with the yen, so we don't give a fuck about that.
Yeah, the yen's always fucking going down.
Exactly, right? The more you zoom out, the worse it becomes.
It's like, how do they have anything left?
Well, they're the only ones that buy their own debt, bro. So they're
just always in a downtrend. Every time you look at them, it's like, hit short.
Yeah. What was mine? I think it was this one. Yeah.
The dollar's shit at the moment. Yeah.
Dollar's not liking it. We are on the DMA, I think.
I saw this thing the other day, like the conspiracy, that Trump's trying to weaken the dollar on purpose.
You understand why?
And then, yeah, I do. Better, well, better and worse, different circumstances.
Well, there's two ways America gets out of shit. Number one, they inflate their debt away, so they make inflation run so hot and so heavy that the amount of money just evaporates because the zeros don't matter anymore because inflation catches up. Or two, the exact opposite, make the dollar super weak, and then your reserves effectively go down against everything else, and so they've got the most amount of debt they're ever going to have to refinance coming up, ever. So big shit in America, but it's America, bro. Don't bet against America. Bro,
Theory
another
was
firm example of why you never bet against the skew. It's just
the
so rippy. It's so rippy downwards, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up, 1 candle down. Fuck
Yeah.
about, big pump, insta dump. My DMA is on no. I don't know what this guy's got. It must be an EMA he's got in his chart.
Oh, did you turn my camera off?
No. Just went away for a bit.
Oh, it's not showing.
It is now. I can see you now again on OBS.
Oh, it's not on the stream for some reason. Oh.
Ah, there you are. There you are, you bastard.
What did you say? 609 is heavy protected.
Let's get back to the Gex stream and have a look. I remember. Yeah, well, 608 is 608 was the one with a large amount. You see, the dealers here have bought, according to them, a relatively large amount of calls at 608. So that just basically means the dealers are always trying to be neutral, and if the price skips below that, they have to do shenanigans to stay neutral. So from here on out, it should pop back up, so they stay in the money, effectively nullifying all these dudes here that are in the money at the moment. But 616 isn't like a bad shot all the way from here. That's fucking huge. I won't beat it.
Okay, finally loaded. All right, yeah, 608 and then 605 is massive too. That's far down. 602. Yeah.
Steve just wants to go back up, bro. 180. 180. Hold on. That's going up too quick. What's going on in the world?
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's going up too quickly. What happened in the world? 180 is just getting tapped and rejected.
Yeah.
So we'll show there on the screen that that's 75 carnies holding strong.
180 up to 200.
Yeah, it's that rejection, bro. Okay, let's see the retest.
Sure.
Volumes are looking too good as usual. $612. Yeah, 25,200 starting to light up. Let's see, 612. Nothing really of interest at 612. We're back into positive gamma according to Get Stream.
So rangy.
Yeah, we're in positive gamma as well on Tanuki.
That 200, there we go. That was.
Let's see what that volume looks like at 200.
Got previous day high at T1.
Really? Go figure.
At the Q's T1, yeah.
Go figure. Fucking hell, it really is. Gotta love them push levels.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Like spot on, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. See if we can jump into it. There is a volume spike at 25,250, but I suppose that matches up with 25,240. Okay, T1 previous day highs. Let's see a fizzling out of buy volume.
$240 is the number one call resistance.
Yeah,
That should be a good short.
yeah, I agree. It's probably worth waiting for.
If 300's got 47 contracts. This hits T1 and rips back, bro. 125%.
Don't even be surprised. Small sell in an otherwise very bullish. $25,164 retest. Like I said, the 25,150s look clean.
150. 150.
Yeah, 160, 150, yeah, around about there. It's just like a pocket of air between 160 and 140. It's just like it's gonna fall through.
Yeah. 25, 215, and then 290, 300. That's all lit up above on this Gex one. On his Gex stream.
25.
15. That's just above push. That's London high.
Yeah, the repositioning is happening. 608's getting even more love. It's quite a pullback. I don't know if I want to wait for that.
$200's looking solid for now. CBD's breaking highs on Qs. So's volume divergence.
Not getting much read out of the Qs on the CBD.
No, there's not. Yeah, and there's no. Oh, their delta's fucking pushing right back too.
Got a bit of a skew appeal forming.
I was just gonna say short.
Yeah, but that's why I don't like that long, bro. Because if you get that short, it's just easy in and out. Take out money. Like there was what? If you popped in at 200, Yeah, 20
Tapped
points.
at 160 now.
Almost 30.
Or what?
No, just talking to myself. 25, 160.
Are you on the Gex bookmaps chart?
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a wait until the half an hour.
Yeah, there's a lot more liquidity appearing above.
Yeah, see that. This might be a typical push continuation, so up over the T2, T1, and then 30-minute
Yeah.
close, 30-minute retrace, boom, boom, boom. Money, money, money. BRB.
Yeah. It's just got volume now.
Yeah. 25, 215 is not being easy. T1 is not being easy to break.
I think if it does, it pops. Q's had big volume on that last delta. Price is struggling though. Yeah.
Might take a typical push probably. For 1 minute, yeah. Yeah, that's a good push.
Yeah.
That's a nice push, but it's right between that call wall.
That 240, 250 is lit up on bookmaps. 260, 290. Wait for a nice pullback here and I'll plug it now. Yeah.
If these things are looking like, okay, so technology's pumping today. That's what I wanted to see. Trading terminal. There we go. So technology's pumping. Healthcare down. Materials. Oh, look at the pump. Okay, let's get ready.
$40 to $35.
That was nice.
You in a long?
Huh? That would have
Are you in a long?
I was just about to actually think about it because that fucking teeny weeny cell volume retrace fucking missed it like a oh. You get that one?
Nah, didn't tap me in. There's not a lot of buy on the CBD though.
Oh, no, I'm seeing shit fizzling out. It's even dropping on the CBD.
So that's what I'm thinking. If it's going to come back for a nice retrace after this pump before it goes up to this stuff up above, maybe even test that 160 again.
Yeah, 160. That's exactly what I was eyeballing now. Would be a shame to miss the dump. It's gonna be so quick.
Yeah, there's 240, 250 short.
It's gonna be so quick.
It's coming after this pump.
Yeah. There we go. Let's see a low volume pump. That would be fucking orgasmic. Allegedly.
250's got 125 contracts.
Short, yeah. Okay. Oh.
It's due for a big pullback, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little love on 250. 249.50. I just want to see this. I see the buy volume is fizzling. This is good. Come on.
49.
Yeah. I'm going to test
49.75 I'm on.
Oh, I'm 50.
10-point stop. Yeah, that just like, oh, bro, look at all that liquidity just above the 65. Fuck. Oh, yeah, I'm in.
We're in the place where we're supposed to be, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Could spike up to try and grab that 60-65. Might take a 65 then.
It needs to rip back quickly for a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna just see. I don't like that buy volume that I've sold into. That's not looking nice.
No, same. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Where was I? 2.
I'm just above its wick.
Yeah. Just
if it goes past that, I'm fucking out.
Stay on the side of the skew. You should be all right. But it is pumpy today, so.
Yeah, there's no liquidity below. 230 is starting to show up. Fuck. Come on, just whip one down.
That's it. That's it. I'll take some of that action. That's why we don't fucking stay on the other side of the skew. Because you are a fucking idiot if you do.
There's our theme song.
There's our theme song, motherfuckers. 2020. In its push, I already tapped myself out, so I'm good. I got out just at that little line ski. Right, it was it 20? 222. Yeah, 222. There we go. Tap myself out there. Thank you. Appreciate you. Please come again. You were nice to me.
I'm liking that CBD. I'm still in this.
Good.
200 in profit.
Yeah, that's all good. I'm also 200 for the day now, so that's why I jumped. I put mine at 200.
Down to 210.
Come on, we can got this 210, bro. 210 should be on the cards for you, bro. 210 should be on the cards for you. But there's an air gap here between 240 and this, so it's like a up. Yeah.
Yeah.
This
No,
could be the
tap me.
nice
$100.
retest short.
Fuck off.
Nah. Oh, okay. I was gonna say this could be a nice little retest short. I might get back into.
No, with all that liquidity above, I'm just worried. Played it safe. Shouldn't have. Look at this.
As long as you're on the side of the skew,
Jeez,
I'm
okay.
telling you, bro. As long as you're on the side of the skew, just it's tough though. It's a tough one because it's an obviously bullish market, right? And we're like absolutely going against the grain here. But
That's
the
right.
reason being is I don't want to be stuck in long trades, bro. And just rewind the stream. You'll see what I mean.
That's
like
right.
it's just like chalk and cheese, my boy. We just keep doing it again and again and again. That was a 3-1 I got there. I'm happy with that. So we just keep murking him. Just keep taking that money. There we go, and we've
still got a 2-1.
Still got a 2-1.
Yeah, there's only 5 minis I put on that.
Yeah.
I should go to micros actually. I don't know why I'm still on minis.
You want 3 minis?
I was on 3 micros.
Okay, I was saying
5 micros.
Yeah, I thought you said 3 minis. I was like, whoa, check it, this dude.
big balls.
Big Dick McGee. Yeah, I also did 3 minis on that. Only reason being, again, because I'm like against the skew, with the skew, but against the grain. So I'm not too confident. So I do realize it's going to pop a lot, but I think it's going to dump harder. So, as usual, my bet size reflects my confidence. This big pump like this with a big solid 1 minute candle like that makes me very bonerific to jump into another short there, but I'll just...
Yeah, no, I'm looking at that too.
So, because this will be, you see on the 2, we'll get the 2 next kind of candles here on. This is a typical push right here, 100% typical push going on. I'll show you what I mean. You'll get the M30. This is our line here. This is our push line. And then that's the 30-minute candle. So you'll get this 30-minute closing like it does. Then you'll get the next one closing it like that somewhere, red. And then you'll get the next wick coming up here, touching like that and coming down. So boom, touch up and then come down somewhere like that. That's what I think would likely. That's the M30 push. Yeah, there it is, bro. You know what? I see you, my brother. I see you, my brother. Don't you worry. I got you. Yeah, every day. Taking this money. Where'd the music go? Oh, snap. Let's check where the book maps are showing nothing now. 220 contracts coming in and out of existence. 220 is exactly what I would want.
CBD's dumping, deltas
Check the
making new
CBD
highs.
following through. It really makes me irritated when I don't hold better in these kind of things.
So, tell me about it, bro.
But it's
fucking I got in at 49.
Yeah, where did I get in? I got in. I saw 49.50. Yeah, you saw 75.
didn't hold to the next bloody zone. Fuck. Pussy. What a pussy.
You say pussy, I say safe trader. Big dicks come with big balances, bro. My man Jigga always told me that. But you don't need to be a big dick right now. We just taking that money every day, little bit by little bit. Right, nothing more going on except a whole lot of selling. Big sell volume coming in. Big sell volume coming in. And if I was gonna be a betting man, I'd be looking for my next short. Okay, and that book map is just chaos at the moment.
Yeah,
I see,
it's
bro.
nuts.
It's just lighting up everywhere, bro. It's fucking everything, constant. Check out they're moving the big connies around. Yeah, they're trying to draw it up to 25, 260. They're trying to get it up to, of course. I like these candles for like quick reversal trades. These lots of sell volume or buy volume, and then a immediate one below the average, like significantly below the average. It's like almost a half. So that back up would be a nice little poppy for me. And what is that? It's a whole point. It says 40 points. Yeah, check it out, bro. Told you. There it is. Clipper chat. 40 points already there. So that was that pattern that I showed you in the Discord the other day. Like those patterns to remember. This was it, that exact one. So huge dumpies. Never forget this. Huge dumpies. Even on the 5 minutes should be huge dumpies. Yeah. So even on the 5 minutes, you check there, monster dumpy over there. But then you hop down to something lower and you just wait for that fucker to run out of steam. Like that. Because again, we're in a positive gamma environment. So everything is up. So when you see that retrace and then that's like an outlier. Anyway. Here would be a good continuation. See if we get this continuation of volume. Let's see if we get that continuation going on. Could do a 1-to-1 now. Anything happening on CVD? Getting a little poppy. Big cells coming in here. Will we get our pop? Yeah, we get our pop. I'll go below that candle.
Again for a long.
I got taken out quickly there. very quickly. Trying to do this like I see that little quick little long there. Reason being, just that continuation trade off of this big buy. So just a significant little push key. Hold on, let me actually get this correct because our people are watching. So that was a 10 pointer to 25, 38, 35. It's not even a 1-to-1, unfortunately. But chipping away, chipping away, chipping away. Do it all day. The opposite happened there on the buys. So buys ran out of vol. Let's see what happens. Big sell. Should come down. What we got going on? 25 to 40s lighting up. Heavy.
Well, this should tap that T1 and continue.
Mm.
Or just continue.
It wants to break this. We'll see what type of volume it brings into this game show. Stop this. Yeah, could have held better as usual. Continuation here would be correct. But you kind of want to bet that it's going to stay in the same area. Don't bet on the breakout. That's stupid. Okay. That continuation was there. Right, where are we looking? 290, 265. 265. There we go, 265. Ah, everything's removed. Yo, missed out on another 40 points like a div. Saw it a mile away.
Like that.
Nice, 83% today. Not bad. Okay, now we want to see this trickle by volume. Maybe a 270 pop touch with no volume. This is looking good. It's looking very nice. $57. See that volume? One, that's a focal volume there. Fuck, where's my trader, mate? Let's see if that 275 gets tapped again.
Price has made new highs, but CVD hasn't on the cues.
And we've got that shitty sell volume, buy volume kick in. God damn you, just Tony. And then a nonsense candle. Fucking hell, bro. I think 25,300's a target. Let's see.
Yeah.
300.
240 up to 300.
Fuck, bro. Dude, I've been calling this shit all day, bro. Freaking hell, man. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 candles absorbed by 2. Let's take, how long did that take from here? Yeah. See, whatever's bought up in 16 minutes is dumped in 6 every single time.
Come on. Jesus, bro, that just missed me. What the fuck?
Where's your buy?
Yeah, took a long on that 240. Fucking was so obvious, but it missed me by literally a tick. Yeah, bastard. And I'm not going to trust the second. Oh.
You kind of want to miss that retrace if you don't get it the first time, because if it does come back.
Very choppy tonight.
Nothing driving price. What's the wall doing today? So Nvidia, 270. 3%. Yes. Apple down. Meta flat. Righty hell. Oracle 8%. Google flat. Amazon slightly down. Microsoft up 2. And our shared combined view of the NASDAQ top 10. Where are we sitting on the push levels? Sitting on the weekly. Okay, so super flat open on the top 10. I don't like that buy at all, bro. I would never get that buy.
On where?
The Nazi.
No, it's not looking like it.
Oh, is this a cheeky Quasimodo?
Hell, Quasimodo, eh?
Yeah, we've had the odd odd person or so pop in, yeah.
Where are you seeing that?
I see it on the my back end analytics.
On the YouTube,
Yeah, we got 303 impressions. You see, this is what I was telling you, bro. Stick on this channel, bro, because at least it's got
Who
out of
who liked our video?
me.
I just did the same thing.
Me.
I think it was a great video.
So out of 303
Sure,
impressions.
look at all that.
Check, sorry.
Look at all that liquidity above, bro. But price is struggling to get there.
No, because we're at the right top end of the range, bro. What's the extreme showing?
No, we're mid range on there now, so up to 25,365.
Yeah, Extreme is just choppy, bro, all the way to 614, and we're in super positive gam.
Yeah.
If I had to coin flick, I'm saying down, bro.
Yeah.
This has been like the almighty bear flag, bro.
And we're coming into 3 o'clock volume shortly. Well, hourly volume, 3 o'clock for me.
Oh, 290 is just everything. Everyone's selling 290, bro. Fucking 300. Please tell me you didn't hear that.
Me?
Yeah.
I heard something.
Oh, because you're on, of course, you're on the Discord.
It's looking very bearish, bro.
Bro, very fucking bearish, bro. Oh, this is difficult not to get into a short.
Oh no.
It's like picking where from. That's the problem.
That's what I'm thinking. Like, this is the middle of nowhere. Do we take it here with a 20 point?
You can't. Like the immortal Iman Trading said, don't diddle in the middle.
Yeah, take that 240 down. I reckon this is ready to fucking collapse.
Where are all the stop losses? Probably a 2280, yeah.
Mm-hmm. 280, 290, 300. Bang, bang, bang. So if we tap that 280, I reckon we pop. That Elmer's starting to squeeze on the MTI.
That was a very weak 5-minute close previously on the cues.
Yeah. Yeah, this I'll be coming into London close in like what 45 minutes.
Yeah.
So half an hour we'll get between 15 minutes and half an hour we'll get a fucking nice bit of volume. Not a lot of volume.
It's just dwindling down. But that's a big push.
Mm.
It's 290,
There's
290,
80 tapped.
Yeah.
95's loading up.
So am I.
Short from 300.
Wherever the volume dies.
Mm.
I'll shoot from. It's 300. Yes, not even point going on.
Everything's disappearing. CBD's breaking new highs on the cues.
Yeah.
That's 300. Literally touched it.
Come on, give me something. Give me something.
Delta fuckery.
Got that skew rip. Sure, if it ripped here under 260, I'll take the retest at 260.
Bearish divergence.
Skew appeal on the previous 5. Well, this current one, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Still a bit of life in these buys. Nothing above. Stuff below 265. It's 25 points.
Oh. Is that buy coming back in? No.
Still liking the
No.
sales.
Yeah, no, I'm watching the 1 minute, but the trend is coming to an end.
Oof. Right by that DMA. $25,300 is the button. $25 is a quarter, 40 is 10 points from now. 62, 309. Yeah, exactly what the book map's showing. Right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Bought from the 300. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, I want to see this. Now it's coming up to this DMA, 10 points away. So that was 209. This here, 309. This would have been the DMA touch and rejection. Let me see what's above there. There's a lot building up above. It's 325. Is that how far we can go? 325? That's a huge buy.
225, 230.
Yeah, it's all getting lit up now.
Mm-hmm.
It's a huge amount of buys, bro. I can't fucking sell into that.
No, not yet. T2.
Could be a retest
That's also
of that DMA. Yeah, could be a retest of that DMA. Let's see, DMA is at 310. And that book map's moving that price up towards it. That's okay. That's okay. This is the perfect story for the London dump, bro.
Yeah. That's right.
Here we go for previous highs.
Yeah. Previous day highs up at, oh, not previous day. Asia highs today. 25,347.
47, nice. Yeah, yeah.
So that's our T2 plus it's our Asia high. So that's double confluence there.
But in an otherwise bullish marketplace. Okay, Let's see a little weakening buy volume. Come on, man. Give me my setup.
Hasn't been a purple candle for a very long time.
Jeez, so a lot of orders at 325.
Half an hour.
It's on the half an hour, huh? Shit, it's on the hourly. Flip.
Yeah. No, I'm saying it's been half an hour of green candles.
Oh no, when we're on the hour, I kind of want to try and catch something here
Short.
for the hour. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna miss it too. Unless it's gonna use the thing for the flip, the DMA. What you gonna do, motherfucker? Hit touch DMA. What are we doing here? Are we buying? Is there a bid? It looks like there's a bid. Okay.
All right. 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
The fuck was? Oh, Jesus.
So, yeah. Freaking missed that buy like a dick. Like a dick. Bastard. Fucking bastard. Okay, maybe we'll catch a week's buy here. Nah, that volume is still good. Oh, that's a lot of good buy volume. Flipping hell, man. Missed that fucking trade. Almost said something I shouldn't on stream. Stunning hourly buy. Which you on today? I'm on 217.
How much?
Yeah.
Oh, I've only taken that one. It's $100.
Fair enough.
I wonder how they work the skew out.
It's a calls put spread. So it's like how many calls there are versus how many puts. And they work out the amount of open. It says there.
Okay.
Set it on one of them. That's how I knew the answer to that. There we go. Vertical pricing skew refers to the difference in pricing between put and call options with the same expiration date at the same distance. The skew side always have higher premium. We always evaluate the pricing skew at the expected move using linear blah 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 blah. Red number big mean look for short. Green number big mean look for long. What's 614 looking like? I'm getting bored. 614 dealers bought. According to Gextreme, everyone's in the fucking money at the moment, so dealers are shitting themselves. So everything on the left here is everyone in the money. dealers in the money as well. But 615. I'd say 616. 616. So in theory, price needs to come down to 608. In theory. 608 is sitting flipping. Oh. Yo, it's not going to 608, that's for sure.
Volume's dying off.
Big candle, shitty volume for the buys. Let's hope I get a little pop up here.
T2. T2 short. We're at the above the value area high for the day so far.
What, T2?
Well above it.
Yeah.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, I know, it's because I'm positive gamma, bro. That's why that Gex stream, although someone said that it's not so great, it does kind of make sense most days what's about to happen. 608. Jeez.
Got a short on that T2, but it didn't tap me in. Didn't come up.
It didn't come out. I was on 325, 325. That thing fucking licked me and just didn't take me in. It was 25, 20 points in the bag. Someone left us a chat message.
Someone what?
I don't see any chat. It said someone left a chat message. No. YouTube fucking out.
Can't see any.
Nah, it's not that. Nice one. Two comments now. Very short. very short. So break below, pop up to this DMA, which seems to be the popular guy at the moment. Let's pop up to 614. There's nothing there. There's a bull flag going on here, I think. Yeah, a slight little bull flag going on. Oh, you don't want to be trading that shit. Fucking hell. Let's check if we can get some 340. A lot of buy at the top of this range. Oof, this finishes sell. Oh, nope. Damn. That's why I hate looking at the NQ, bro. Look at that fucking bullshit. Doji. Most of those would have gone short there, dude. They would have got fucked. But not us. We're smart. We're smart like that. We use the triple Q. Because that's where your volume comes from.
The secret weapon.
The secret weapon. Motherfuckers just don't realize it. See if we see a nice big sell there at the top. That's going to make me even more interested. But that mixed candle closing. Okay.
Yeah.
That beautiful bear flag. Damn, that's a nice bear flag. Playing child's game here at the top, man. Come on.
Mm. You to come down.
There we go. So my favorite time to trade of the day, bro, is this time. Love it, bro. These slow, little predictable pushes. Let's see it. Dip down. 614. Yeah. Yeah. 614. Let's go 614. So let's see a weak sell here. I think I'll take a little longy up to the T1. Nope.
Oh, shit, it's getting cold.
Cold.
Ooh. Yeah, bro. Melbourne, it's always cold here.
Fuck that, bro. Too many Australians in Melbourne. I'm liking this sell. Damn. Give me a reason not to take it.
Yeah, this T2, bro, it's looking juicy.
Okay. Oof. So 2:14. So we got 13 minutes to London close. We got 295, 350.
It's at these Asia highs, then we got that 365 gex above there as well.
Super positive game. Oh shit. 8 seconds. Okay, there was a short there. I've got like a very small SL, like tiny, bro, less than 10 pips, points, fucking points. Only reason is right at the top here, touching the T2, got a big sell volume candle there. So that's kind of like my little pattern that I like. And I'll take this guy down to that homie there, TOES at 10, 310. So I'll take that homie down at 310. So where did I get in? I got in here. 25. Let's go down to 310. That's what I said, 310. And it was a tiny stop loss. And because it was tiny stop loss, I am so far in fucking relative profit. I'm moving my stop loss to that. I'm probably going to get tapped up, but whatever. So we're here at the moment. Stop loss at 25,321. And we're, come on. Tap me up. Cool. 25,321. Reason for the trade being pretty simple. It's kind of what I like to look for. Just a continuation push up, and then just like either this kind of pattern where you've got this lowering of the like current volume and then a big spike in something else. So in this case, it was the push up to my level what are we, T2 over there? Yeah, T2 over there. So that's the push level T2. And I mean, I'm glad we're streaming this shit so people can see. We don't play games here with the push system. All right. So yeah, I mean, you really couldn't make that shit up if you tried, bro. That fucking T2, and this is the only difference why it's not touching here is because I convert these to these. So it's a running conversion, which doesn't get great all the time. But hey, we like to make money around about here using our push system. Should have gone down to 310. That was my TP, but we'll take that. What are we? We're not.
There's a little push down now.
There you go. There you go. This would be a good place to take a long. So opposite is true. If we see this nice big sell volume coming down, then right at the bottom here, we see a candle forming with like a shitty sell volume. Or like this. If this turns into buy volume, this might be a buy back up. Ooh, this is the fight. What's the time? Of course, it's London close.
10-2, yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's so wiki. But I don't trust that sort of candle. That volume, I don't know what that is.
I think this is a little consolidation now, manipulation as London closes, and then dump. Value area high for the day, massive pump already. We've only had 2 decent pullbacks out of, from market open, 285 points. We haven't had a decent pullback for 95 points.
Well, doesn't necessarily mean we need one.
No,
We're going to
no.
get one, sorry. We need one. It doesn't mean we're going to get one.
Okay. We're getting a lot of volume here quickly.
Yes. This is the end. This is the end of the London day. Let's see what the GEX stream. This is usually when the GEX stream starts to change up quite a bit. I'll pop that on screen. There we go. So that's 614 is a defended level for Sheezy. Yeah, right where we are. So this level right here. This is where, according to Gexstream, we have a lot of dealers who have bought options here, but how accurate that is, I don't know. This is the Quasimodo though. Yep, in fact. Let's have a little look here. So we had the bear flag, come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, come down, touch this. Quasimodo says we end down here with the big flag. And then stops above there. TP's down by the balls. Let's see. Oh snap, you can't see my thing on stream. Yeah, exactly. What thing?
Gex. I mean,
Nah.
Gex stream.
Nah, something else. Application. That won't work. Yep. Okay, 350 starting to light up.
Edwin, yeah, yield comes out in
That's a
5
1 year.
minutes.
A 1 year.
Half an hour late, yeah.
Super short term. Not to be worried about.
Yeah. No, but it's in 4 minutes. It's half an hour late.
Ooh, that means let's check yields in general. Sheesh, bro, the dollar getting a swift kick in the balls today. Damn, that's not good for prop traders, huh? The 2 year is flat. I don't ever remember seeing the 10 year and the 2 year both trading flat at the same time on the same day. There's something fishy going on there. Here we go. Push up to 350. That's hourly. Half an hour.
There we go.
Yeah, so typical push setting up here. So a nice typical push would form exactly here. Need to get that going. It can happen anytime now. So you just need a low volume pullback.
What you looking for? A long?
Yeah. I'm just saying this is a setup that I like. This is what I played on Friday. I still took that that position, but this would be a typical push. Yeah. And your exit should be an ungodly fucking hell, bro. It's a 4, 8, 12, 16, 200 points away. I don't think you're gonna get that to that, but in fact, yeah, if you did, it wouldn't even be the upper limit of the options expected move. But anyway, I wouldn't. I'd probably just do that because I'm a bitch. Yeah, I'm a bitch. 20 points, 25 points. That's what I need. I don't need any more than that. I don't get greedy. The previous 1 minute was a phenomenal buy candle. Let's get that small pullback to 25,345. 25,345. Yeah, that's a wick click as well. watch out for this wick down in the next 2 minutes. Just a wick in 345 and then blast. Because where are we on the options? We are, yeah, we are heavy. Small little wick down here. Come on, baby. Just a tiny little red candle down here. Okay, 1 minute to go. 25, 342. 25, 342. Yeah, 25, 342.
They're not cutting, or they're not talking about inflation cuts. They're saying it looks good.
Inflation looks good when you're rich.
Yep.
If you own properties, you love inflation. Yo, this thing looks like it's just gonna fucking keep flying, bro. Come on, low volume pullback. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Oh.
This play does set up nicely. Just, man, if it misses the 30 minutes, you gotta wait for that fucking hourly one, which I'm not gonna do today. Actually, I can. It's 5 o'clock. Gotta get those chesticles at the gym today. Oh, I got that workout plan. If you wanted to, you see, I started that channel.
Oh yeah. Chuck it in there.
Yeah, well, if that's what you like to see with your buys, that kind of volume.
What about volume in that?
Oh, that's the kind of sell volume I like, but the fucking candle size is too small. Come on, bigger retrace. Like that. Oh, no, it's too much. Maybe 2 or 3 candles from now. We'll see. It's too much sell volume. Okay. Yeah, it could be this one.
$65.
This is that small volume I was talking about. Let's just candle close red. Ass banger.
Hmm.
Yeah, 340 is stacking up. Oh, missed. It's too much volume anyway. Should be buying this. I see a small cell here. Come on. This is it. This is it. This is it. Small cell. Small cell. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Taking a sell.
No, no, no. It needs to have a small cell here. I don't know if you are.
Oh,
I'm not. I'm gonna take a buy with an M30. Typical push, but I just need to see this exact thing happen. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick buy there. Reduce my stop loss right to below that candle, because like if it moves past that, I don't trust it anyway. But I'm in there. Yeah, it's gonna rip down now. That's okay. Where was my stop supposed to be? 33, 32. Yeah, no, in fact, I'm not taking to 32. I'll take a 35. So it's a small 7-pointer. I'll drop here if it does. But that's exactly what I look for. That little small, so like nice buy, nice buy, nice buy, small sell. Try and catch that dude on the way up. It's a level that I liked. So we'll see. And then if it does grant me the take profits, we'll go up to where a book map shows me. So that'll be 360-ish. Yeah, basically the highs, but I don't know if I want to target the highs. I kind of just want to be out of there. What's CVB doing? Nothing. Okay. It's been ripping up all day, so I'll be very surprised if it continues. But
Yeah.
we're ready. 7 points. If this finishes up over this, then I'll just push my top. I take profit. So I got 10 points out of that bag. Let's see if we can just trail the sucker up for 20. I'll go BE on this now, just because it's so high already, past where I started. Okay, and I'll trail to BE now. Actually, I'll go below this. No, it's got no bottom wick. I'll trail to BE. Oh, we're gonna hit the. Okay, I'm up. There we go. Now I trail. That's better. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, I'm out of it. I was just looking for the highs, and I certainly was not at that. Where was I for my stop loss? That was there, 336, 36. So there we go. That's now 2-1. Happy with that. We'll take those all down. We'll take those all fucking day, bro. So that was the M30 POES, typical POES. It is a standard in the playbook of any POES trader. Anyone who's a POES knows how to take these, bro.
Any puss knows how to take this.
Every fox knows his own hole. Every POES knows a typical POES. Your exit should have been, yeah. It's always easy in hindsight, right? But there you go.
6-5.
You're welcome. You're welcome, YouTube. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Is the stream music actually coming through the stream? Let me check quickly. Oh, it's super soft on the stream. I'm just checking my voice. I'm just checking my voice. I'm just checking my voice. Voice. Kooliokis. We got 16 minutes. Let's see what happens, bro. It's slowly grinding all day. Up to a shitty but respectable 360. Didn't want to have my first stream all fucked up. Did I? Actually, what is the winning percentage for today? Let's have a look at what we did today. Oh, God, I love this. How do I do this without showing my life? Can anyone do anything with your account number? I don't think so.
Which account?
There we got today. 87.30. 12% losing. Not a huge day, but again, trading micros because it's the first stream. Should have pulled way more out of some of those positions, bro. Look at some of the fucking things that I left on the table here today, bro. It's like disgraceful, bro. So there I left. Yo, almost 100 there. I mean, definitely 100 there. No, 80. So left 50 on the table there. And I caught this long here. Look at this, bro. You have to like zoom in to see it. That, my friend, is what you call a fucking stupid close, bro. This thing ran 150 points, bro. Hey. And there again, you see that's this type of thing here. This is a sell. All that. Big sell after a big push. So if you saw a little like this sort of buy. He's in for the win, bro. I'm baked all day. I haven't even thought about it really.
What's that?
He's Zins. It's like a ZYN. It's like a nicotine thing sticking in your mouth. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Just gonna put it in your bumper. It's gonna burn like shit. Motherfucker, put it in my mouth. It's my asshole. Yo, my bullseye. Fucking yeah, man. What's silver? I love you. I love you. I'm gonna lick some silver right now, man. Lick that silver. BTC back out to Cerny. What do we in fact, let's go look at it over here. What did we say this morning? 63. It needs to come down to 60. BTC licked 60 and then just leapt.
Really?
It licked it. It licked 60, I think 60,000 on the dot. Yeah, 60,000 on the dot.
Yeah, I don't know.
And it just spun out. This is a prime example that most people will never, ever, ever get their heads around. Never fucking buy on the pump. You have to wait for everyone to say it's done.
Yeah.
When it says done, you buy it and you sit. Did that with silver, man. It's not 2026, it was 5 years ago. 5 years ago. I loaded up on silver, bro. $22.
This 400's going to be a bit short, I reckon.
No, there we go. Check it out. I loaded up on silver at around about between 22 and 25. I love you, silver. I love you so much. Oh, can't wait to sell. It's mad, bro, going through the airports and stuff like that with like all this wad of silver on me. It's like every scanner comes up, bro. Everyone's like, "Come into this line, sir," and I have to like take out all the silver in front of all of them, bro. Like tell everyone, like, just hold, keep me so here. Well, despite skew, positivity. I think from now on, I'm only going to close my positions on candle close.
Yeah. I've done that twice today now.
Yeah, what's your position's been looking like today?
I've just had those two BEs in Asia session and then one earlier. Sure, that's a big pump down. Engulfing candle.
That's what you like to see. 4 or 5, let's go. We are 400 already. We're on the 10th day today. Should be a sell.
What are you thinking?
Should be a sell. Should be a sell. Let's see what that 5 minutes looking like. 5 minute does not look like a sell. Yeah, you see, again, at this time of the day, I'll swap from the 1 to the 5, just because it's like more
Yeah,
true.
I've been doing that too.
One more 5 minutes left. Coming up. What is 616? Nothing much. So that's that earlier 619. But that skip appeal close on the previous 5. The cues. With some nice sell. Okay, let's see where the spike up could go to. 4 or 5. Just wait till a very shit buy like that. That's hard not to sell this. Frickadell.
143.75, but it doesn't want to just pop up and wake me. 403.5.
Oh, unlucky, dude.
Yeah.
You kind of want to jump in now. You can't just. Oh, this cell's looking so nice. It's just like the whole day it's been doing this, and then I'm sure there's a little pop, one more pop, and then come down. If we see a bad buy here, I'm taking it. I'm taking that sell. Jeez, bro. 2 5 minutes in a row with skip appeals in the 5 minutes. And we got CBD coming down in the 5 minutes. Yeah, here's that little pop D, I think. Okay, let's get ready. There it is.
Oh, that just. Oh, I'm in. Yeah.
Godspeed, bro. I never got in quick enough. Could have another little pop back here to 410. But I hope not. 405. This is the spot. This is the spot. All the way down to 387, it seems like. Come on. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. It's a good sell, Ramona. I mean,
I don't care if I know that. That's a good push, so let's see what happens.
Yes, bro. That's what we like, Flub.
I'm on 10 minis on here.
Yes, you mean micros.
I mean, micro, sorry.
This is what we like, bro. See? All day.
10 micros.
All day, bro. All day. All day, bro. Here we go. Here we go. This is a big one.
Yeah, I've got my TP on 365. See if we get a push down. Just monitor it as we go.
I like this, but I like this to pop again.
Yeah, I know.
Not trying to hurt you here. Oh, that's a lot of volume coming in.
Back up.
Yeah. Just watch that volume. Not to be too concerned about just yet. But it's tough. It is a positive gamma environment, bro. We're always against it.
Yeah.
But it's the right way. It's just fuck the grind, bro. It's the grind up. It kills you.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock, well, hourly volume too, so thought we'd get a change of direction.
Yeah, I would too. That's the same trade I would take, my friend.
Oh my god, that wicked me out at 408. That just wicked up from profit to stop loss. It was only a 4.5 stop loss, so. Unlucky.
So very much on the same side as me that I would go for.
Yo, that little stacking up big
Bro,
time.
it's fucking stacking, man. It's tough to not fucking sell this fucking, man. Just not getting the volume for me for my entries. Fuck's sakes, man. fucking top one lost Project X, the platform.
Yeah. Yeah.
I took a little sell there as well. I'm not too confident in it, but I did take that sell. 4275. I'm also just above where am I? 1-3. No, that's too much. 4-8. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I want to be quickly wrong. 4-8. This is at the top of a fucking wiki zone, bro.
Wiki zone.
And I just want to go down to 390. And maybe 390 is the logical one.
Bro, fuck, I might call it a night. I'm fucking tired.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
4 in the
I'm
morning.
out. I'm literally out right now, bro. I have to go to the gym.
Alright.
Alright, my man.
GG's.
GG's.
I will
I'm just
catch
gonna
you
wait
tomorrow.
for this to finish up, and then I'll close the stream. Yeah, sweet, my man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You legend.
Peace. I will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, bro.
Same time, same place, chat.
Hey, bro. Clip it, chat. Oh, let me get the dumpy. Let me get the dumpy. Can we get a little dumpy? Can we get a little dumpy? Can
Nice,
we
I
get a
think you're in the
little dumpy?
The oddities disappeared off bookmaps, free fall down.
Nah,
If
it's
it
fucking
anything.
They're gonna wick me out and ain't gonna dump, bro. You know it. I know it. You know it. We know it.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Here's my wick. I know
Right,
it. You know
I'll-
it. We know it. Although I'm just gonna watch that volume. That volume didn't give me confidence. So if I wouldn't take a long here. Put it that way.
Yeah, I know.
I definitely wouldn't take a long here. But I'd like to trail myself out at 400 for the day. Come on, man. Don't be a groot poes. Don't be a groot poes, yeah.
Thank you. Looking good.
You always look good until you don't, bro.
That's right.
And that's where you don't. God damn you.
Yeah, are you out?
Not just yet, but I will be. I am at 310.50. I'm here 310. Sorry, yeah, 410.50, not 310.50. 410.50. There's volume coming back into the buys. Not looking good. We'll break even if I get the chance again. It is a very long day, so I don't want to be in the way.
Yeah.
Oh! I did say I would break even if I got the chance, and I got the chance. Okay, I'm out. I said I'd break even if I got the chance, and I did. Cool, that's me.
All right, bro.
That's me for the day.
Peace. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, my man. Much love.
Much love, bro. Peace.
Peace. And cheeky 70%. Right, peeps. Thank you very much for your day. Hope you traded as well as we did. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.